back to my channel. So Lalicious has came. So we are going to do some unboxing of my Lalicious products. Love Lalicious. You saw the box, you pronounce it. Beautiful. So I got my stuff. This is the box it comes in, super cute inside. Make every day a spa day. Hey, and they mean it. These products are A1, beautiful. Let's see, I always got my box. That's my receipt. They always give you these cute little cards and stuff like that. It tells you about their products and things like that. Lalicious. Boom, see? Now you know how to pronounce it. Awesome. The definition: providing your senses with delight while creating hydrating, glowing skin. I agree. Synonyms. Ooh, they got synonyms for it. Obsessed, can't get enough, amazing, delectable, indulgent. Yes. Could you use it in a sentence? You smell delicious. Do you use Lalicious? I love it. That's super cute. Awesome. Alrighty, it gives you tips from Jessica. Are you exfoliating correctly? So it's just a little tip sheet about how, you know, you cleanse your body before you scrub, exfoliate away every day, and in a circular motion. It tells you how to get beautiful skin, glowing skin. Oh my God, you guys, I always smell like a dream. Okay, so I got the bubble bath because I was out of bubble bath. Usually I get brown sugar, but they were out of brown sugar this time. So I got Sugar Kiss. This was recommended by my mother. Shout out to her. It was recommended by her. So I've never tried this one before. So we about to see if it was a good recommendation. Okay. It smells so sweet. Oh, I like it. Okay, so it comes with a pump, you know what I'm saying? Boom, and a top. So when it's like low, you can hand it, because, you know, we're going to get all our, what was it, $80 worth of product, all of it. They also have smaller ounces and smaller bottles, so you don't have to get the $80 one either. I also got the pumpkin spice scrub. So I love these exfoliating sugar scrubs that they make. Make my skin so smooth. Love it. And usually I would get, like, which ones do I usually get? I have brown sugar. Ooh, I love cupcake. No, birthday cake. I love birthday cake. It's a cute little box, right? Super cute. And it matches its little container as well. Super cute. All right, usually I would get brown sugar, birthday cake, right? Because birthday cake comes with glitter in it, and I really like it. But I've never seen this one on their website. Sometimes they like pop stuff up there, and you just gotta snatch it up. You just gotta snatch it up before it's gone. So let's see what this smells like. I've never been a pumpkin person, so we shall see. But it smells so delicious, so delightful. Fall. Oh my God, I can picture myself walking in a park, you know, Starbucks in hand. Not a pumpkin spice latte though, because like I said, I really don't do pumpkin, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love. I cannot wait to use that. Oh my God, I'm gonna smell sickening. If I had somebody, they would be addicted to me because of this. If I had somebody, they would be addicted to me because of this. Because, oh my God, I just want to smell it this whole time. Okay, and last but not least, because Lalicious is always a team player, they always give you free samples of stuff. Always. And this time it is a Sugar Kiss Extraordinary Whip Sugar Scrub. So it is the sugar scrub that goes with my body wash. And it's just like a little tiny sample. It's a little tiny sample. But they always give out samples. So we really appreciate that, Lalicious. Lalicious. Okay, so that's all I got from Lalicious for now. Join me next time on another beautiful haul of Lalicious, because always run out, always have to restock. I'll try every flavor. I'll try every kind. Why? Because they're the best at making your body the best. Enjoy your day. See you next time.